Are you afraid of rejection? Greatness Capital presents Overcome Your Anxiety for Beginners. Hello and welcome to this video on overcoming fear of rejection. Rejection is an inevitable part of life and something that most of us have experienced at some point. Whether it's a job interview that didn't go as planned, a relationship that didn't work out, or simply not being invited to a social event, rejection can be a tough pill to swallow. For some people, the fear of rejection can be so strong that it holds them back from pursuing their dreams and goals. They may avoid social situations, miss out on job opportunities, or struggle to form meaningful relationships, all because they are afraid of being rejected. However, it's important to understand that rejection is a natural part of life and that it doesn't define who we are. By overcoming our fear of rejection, we can free ourselves from anxiety and find the confidence to pursue our dreams and reach our full potential. In this video, we will take a closer look at what rejection is, why it can cause anxiety, and the importance of overcoming fear of rejection for personal growth and success. So, let's get started. Understanding rejection. Before we dive into overcoming fear of rejection, it's important to have a clear understanding of what rejection is and why it happens. Rejection is a natural part of life and can come in many forms. It could be a job offer that doesn't materialize, a romantic interest who chooses someone else, or simply not being invited to a social event. There are several common causes of rejection, including lack of experience or skills, inadequate preparation, competition from more qualified candidates, personal preferences and tastes. It's important to understand that rejection is not a reflection of personal worth. Rejection simply means that a particular opportunity didn't work out, not that you are not good enough. This can be a difficult concept to grasp, especially when rejection feels so personal, but it's essential to remember that rejection is not a measure of your value as a person. It's also important to distinguish between rejection and failure. Failure is when you don't meet your own expectations, while rejection is when someone else doesn't choose you for a particular opportunity. While both can be disappointing, they are not the same thing, and it's important to keep this distinction in mind as you work to overcome your fear of rejection. So, now that we have a better understanding of what rejection is and why it happens, let's move on to the next step: identifying your personal fears. In order to overcome your fear of rejection, it's important to identify the root cause of your anxiety. This may involve examining your personal experiences with rejection and recognizing any patterns or triggers. Start by thinking about specific situations where you felt anxious or afraid of rejection. What was happening in those moments? What were your thoughts and feelings? Try to get as specific as possible, as this will help you better understand your personal triggers and patterns. You may also want to consider any past experiences or beliefs that may be contributing to your anxiety. For example, have you experienced repeated rejections in the past that have left you feeling defeated or unworthy? Do you have negative beliefs about yourself that make it difficult to handle rejection? Once you have a better understanding of the root cause of your anxiety, you can start to work on building resilience and addressing those underlying issues. This is an important step in overcoming your fear of rejection and finding the confidence to pursue your goals. So, take some time to reflect on your personal experiences with rejection and identify any patterns or triggers. This will help you build a strong foundation as you work to overcome your fear of rejection. Building resilience. Now that you have a better understanding of your personal fears and triggers, it's time to start building resilience and developing a growth mindset. This will help you become more confident and better equipped to handle rejection when it occurs. Here are some strategies for building self-esteem and confidence. 1. Set realistic expectations for yourself. It's important to have realistic expectations for what you can achieve and to be kind to yourself when things don't go as planned. By setting achievable goals, you can build confidence and avoid disappointment when rejection occurs. 2. Embrace a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that you can grow and develop through effort and learning. By embracing this mindset, you can view rejection as an opportunity for growth rather than a personal failure. 3. Practice self-care. Taking care of your mental and physical health is essential for building resilience. This may include activities like exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. 4. Surround yourself with supportive people. Having a supportive network of friends and family can help you build confidence and resilience when faced with rejection. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can build resilience and become more confident in the face of rejection. So, start implementing these strategies today and watch as your self-esteem and confidence grow. With time and practice, you'll be able to overcome your fear of rejection and pursue your dreams with confidence. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so we can keep making them, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. Practical techniques for overcoming rejection anxiety. In addition to building resilience, there are several practical techniques that can help you overcome your fear of rejection. These techniques can be used in conjunction with the strategies outlined above to help you become more confident and better equipped to handle rejection when it occurs. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help you reduce anxiety and stress. This may include activities like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. These techniques can help you stay calm and centered, even when faced with rejection. Positive self-talk and visualization. Positive self-talk and visualization can help you build confidence and reduce anxiety. Try speaking to yourself in a positive and supportive way, and visualize yourself successfully handling rejection. This can help you build a more positive and confident mindset. Facing rejection head-on and learning from it. Facing rejection head-on can help you become more resilient and better equipped to handle it in the future. Rather than avoiding rejection, try to embrace it and learn from it. Ask yourself what you can learn from the experience, and use that knowledge to grow and become better. By incorporating these practical techniques into your daily routine, you can become more confident and better equipped to handle rejection when it occurs. So, start implementing these techniques today and watch as your anxiety decreases and your confidence grows. Now that you have a better understanding of your personal fears and triggers and have started implementing practical techniques for overcoming rejection anxiety, it's time to move forward and put what you've learned into practice. The importance of persistence and resilience. The key to overcoming the fear of rejection is persistence and resilience. Building resilience takes time and effort, but with persistence and determination, you can overcome your anxiety and become more confident in the face of rejection. It's important to remember that setbacks and rejections are a normal part of life, and that they don't define you as a person. With time and effort, you can develop the resilience you need to handle rejection and continue pursuing your goals. Taking small steps to build confidence. One way to build confidence is to take small steps to build your resilience in rejection situations. This could be as simple as asking for help, trying something new, or speaking up in a meeting. Start with small steps, and as your confidence grows, you can take on more challenging situations. By taking small, manageable steps, you can build your confidence gradually and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Celebrating progress and accomplishments. It's also important to celebrate your progress and accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. This can help you build confidence and stay motivated as you work towards overcoming your fear of rejection. Celebrate each small victory, and don't be too hard on yourself if you experience setbacks along the way. Instead, use setbacks as an opportunity to learn and grow. The fear of rejection is a common experience, but it doesn't have to hold you back. By building resilience, taking small steps to build confidence, and celebrating your progress and accomplishments, you can overcome your anxiety and become more confident in the face of rejection. So, keep pushing forward and never give up on your goals and dreams. In this video, we have explored the fear of rejection and how it can cause anxiety for some people. We discussed the importance of overcoming this fear for personal growth and success. We looked at common causes of rejection, the difference between rejection and failure, and strategies for building self-esteem and confidence. We also covered practical techniques for overcoming rejection anxiety, such as mindfulness and relaxation techniques, positive self-talk, and facing rejection head-on. Finally, we talked about the importance of persistence and resilience in overcoming fear of rejection, taking small steps to build confidence, and celebrating progress and accomplishments. Overcoming the fear of rejection is a lifelong journey, and it's important to continue practicing and growing. With time and effort, you can develop the resilience and confidence you need to handle rejection and pursue your goals. So, keep pushing forward and never give up on your dreams. The fear of rejection can hold us back in many areas of our lives, but it doesn't have to. By overcoming this fear, we can become more confident, resilient, and successful in pursuing our goals. So, Don't be afraid to take risks, face rejection head-on, and never give up on your dreams. The reward is worth it, and you are capable of overcoming your fear of rejection. I hope this video has been helpful in providing you with practical strategies and techniques for overcoming your fear of rejection. Remember, the key to success is persistence, resilience, and never giving up on your dreams. So, keep practicing and growing, and don't be afraid to take risks. You got this.